Hi guys, this is Jules Dedoro unboxing, and tonight this video, this is the unboxing of Ushiro George from Umineko no naku Koro ni PVC is the Deformation Mania Figure Collection Volume 2. This is from Banpresto to shout out from Great Toys Online. And then this is a year 2009. Is sobrang rare. Ito yung anime PVC figure. So let's unboxing this figure and let's see, open this up. So the first time we're gonna open this PVC figure. I think it's gonna happen. There's a scotch tape here. So time to remove the tape before it will unbox there. Okay. This is a more struggling. Okay. Next, I will remove the another tape. I trying to remove this tape and let's open up. There you go. Okay, let's open up and then let's see what is the PVC figure was inside. And don't forget, will be shout out to out of box YouTube channel. So he got followed them, subscribe to his own YouTube channel, and then will be follow us to Instagram and of course on his Facebook page. So let's unbox there and let's see the PVC figure. Let's open up. Oh, there's four of them, the characters from volume 2. There's a missing is a volume 1. So let's open up the PVC figure. Oh, the bubble wrap. Let's open up. And look at that. This is the PVC figure. And then let's remove the tape. Let's see. Oh, there is the PVC figure. This is a painted version. Oh, so his main body now. So there is a display stand. There's a display right here. On another side, let's open this up. Oh, oh, there's a figure. There's a body, and there's a head. Okay, so let's open this body, shall we? And let's just open up, and then there it is. Okay, so we'll attach this. There's a peg here, and then the figure was been nearest on the peg. This is a head of Ushiro George. Ushiro George. Now let's see what's gonna open up. Then you put on his head. And there you have it. There is Ushiro George. That's right. And then you attach his head. They're going to attach it really gently. And there is the figure itself. That's I call that. So this is volume 2. Oh, it's fall down. There you go. Should be fix it. Oh, there it is. So these figures has been 3 of them because Ushiro George was one of the figure itself. So please, this is our first time the Banpresto made though. So that's the one of the anime series of Ushiro George is from Umineko no naku Koro. So the based from the anime series. And then there is a figure itself. There it is on the box. So that's it. That's an unboxing video of PVC Figure Volume 2 Umineko no Koro Umineko na Umineko no naku Koro ni Ushiro George unboxing video. If you like and subscribe our YouTube channel, thanks from Ortega's Walls Toy Club and from Green Hills. So he gave my giveaway from me. So I hope this from the videos likes, and please support us on my YouTube channel. So click on subscribe and get the notification button. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So see you guys and see you the next video.